Nearby Mazda 3 repairs. Mazda Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automaker based in Fuchu, Hiroshima, Japan. In 2015, Mazda produced 1.5 million vehicles for global sales, the majority of which were produced in the company's Japanese plants, with the remainder coming from a variety of other plants worldwide. The 2017 Mazda 3 is a compact car that offers a range of features and options across its different trim levels. Here are some common features that were available on the 2017 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is a popular compact car, and regular maintenance is essential to keep it running smoothly. Here are some general service recommendations for a Mazda 3. Oil change. Change the engine oil and oil filter at regular intervals. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the frequency of oil changes. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Brake inspection. Inspect the brake system, including brake pads, discs, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires regularly and ensure they are properly inflated. Check the tire tread depth and replace tires if they are worn. Battery check. Inspect the car battery for corrosion and ensure it is securely mounted. Check the battery's condition and replace it if necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter periodically to ensure optimal engine performance. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals for improved fuel efficiency and engine performance. Alignment and suspension check. Check the wheel alignment and inspect the suspension components for wear. Address any issues to ensure proper handling. Exhaust system inspection. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and damage. Replace any worn-out components. Check engine light diagnostics. If the check engine light is illuminated, perform diagnostics to identify and address any issues. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended scheduled maintenance tasks outlined in the owner's manual. It's important to note that specific service intervals and recommendations can vary based on the model year and specific engine configuration of your Mazda 3. Always refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and procedures. If your Mazda 3 is still under warranty, consider having maintenance and repairs performed by an authorized Mazda service center to ensure compliance with warranty terms. For any specific issues or diagnostics, it's advisable to consult with a qualified mechanic or Mazda dealership.